Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna share a WhatsApp privacy tips. Without your permission, nobody can add you to a WhatsApp group. Let's see how it works. First, open your WhatsApp application. Click on the three dots. Then select Settings. Select the first option, Accounts. Then select Privacy. Select Groups. Now we have three options available here. Everybody, My Contact, Except. These are the three options. If you select Everybody, now everybody having your number can add you to a WhatsApp group without your permission. If you select My Contact, now everybody in your contact can only add you to a WhatsApp group. Here we are looking for the third option. Now select My Contact Except. From here, if you select any contact, every other contact except those contacts can add you to a WhatsApp group. Now, if you select all these contacts by clicking on the select option, you are blocking everybody from adding you to a WhatsApp group. Your contact also. Nobody can add you to a WhatsApp group without your permission now. Click the tick mark to save. Let's see how it works. Now, I'm gonna use my second WhatsApp, the business WhatsApp, to add my first contact to a WhatsApp group. Now I'm creating a new group from here. Trying to add my first contact to the group. See the message. I couldn't add that contact. The message says couldn't add Sophia. We can only add that contact to a group by sending invitation privately. So I'm sending here private invitation. Let's go to our WhatsApp. See, I got the private invitation. If you want to join to the WhatsApp group, click on the button to join. If you don't want, just leave it, that's it.